Hi everyone, my name is Jacky and I'm a student at UBC. Today I'm going to present like how I use Claude Code agent teams. First, a disclaimer. This is how I use Claude Code agent team, not necessarily the best practice or anything. And I will use vibe coding as an example, but it's not just for vibe coding. It can be used for anything. So yeah. So I have a question. How many of you has vibe coded before? Raise your hand. Okay, almost everyone, right? If you have done it before, you know that it's not as chill as it seems like. There are all sorts of problems. You need to keep fixing this, fixing that for it to work, right? And I think there's a better way, right? And here's my solution for this. We can use Claude Code agent team to assemble a team of autonomous long-running agents, right? As you can see, we have front end, we have back end, we have researcher, we have tester, and we have like refactorer, right? So like we give it all the tools it needs to perform the best job, right? Right. And the end goal of this system is that we will give it a task and it will run for like 6+ hours, not nonstop, and it will end up with a code that's either directly usable or requires very little modification. And here's how it works. So I built a Claude Code skill called Team Orchestrator. So before using this, your workflow will be like, you make a prompt, you build, you fix, you prompt, build, fix, prompt, build, fix, prompt, build, fix, prompt, build, fix. You get the idea, right? And after using Team Orchestrator, you make a prompt, right? You make a prompt, can you do this for me? And it will give you a PRD. You review it, you feel like, okay, it's fine. Then it will assemble a team to code and test. Then they will run in a loop. They will code until all the features are done. Then it will pass it to the tester. And it loop until the code is compilable and all the tests pass, right? After that, it will do an optional refactor, so the code is clean and readable. And then during this period of time, you can just go grab lunch and like it runs on itself. So yeah, it doesn't require your constant attention. Like that's the main selling point. Yeah, cool. So live demo. Okay, let me see how I do this. Okay, it should work. Open Tmux, right? So it saves my terminal session, but it's not required. So I open Claude Code. Oh my, it's so big. Okay, so I trust my folder. So the biggest advantage of this system is that it can run for like 6+ hours nonstop, but I only have 6 minutes to demo. So I will, So I will wait. Where's my terminal? Oh, it's back. Okay. So I will just do something really simple to demonstrate how it works. So I've already loaded the skill. I / team orchestrator. So, okay. So the agent knows to load that skill. Usually you can just trigger it with natural language. It's not required. So you'd be like, hey, what would you like to build? Okay. So a very common use case for me personally is that I want to use it to do research. When you use an agent to do research, the main pain point for me is that you usually miss stuff, right? It maybe collect some of the information, but not everything. So using this system, we can have it spawn a team of researchers. So it covers everything. So here's my prompt. Spawn a team of researchers to research the current state of MCP, which is pretty much that. I want to understand this aspect, and you need to spawn a couple of researchers to investigate. And it will ask you a list of questions, so it can know what you're actually trying to do. So let's just do anything. Okay, cool. Then you could submit the answer. Okay. So yeah, it generated a PRD. So you can read and review. I'm like, this looks nice to me, right? So I can go ahead. So thinking for a bit. Okay, it's setting up a team and assigning the task right now. So as you can see, it's like starting 4 research agents. Yeah, it's going to take a while. Yeah. I really hope it works. Okay. Yeah, it's spawning a research agent in the same tmux window. So you can like observe everything to make sure everything's going right if you want to. Yeah, it's just going to give it permission. Okay. Yeah, another one. Yeah. Yeah, so now you have 4 research agents researching about the same topic from different directions. So it covers all the point of views. And the agents can communicate with each other. So like, yeah. Let me scroll that. Okay. So now I'm going to show the second use case. Okay, create a new. So another super important use case for me is to use it for coding, right? So let me copy the prompt. So we will do the same thing here to start a team orchestrator. Wait. Okay. Anyway. So how it will work is it will start a team of coder and testers. Then they will fight against each other. So like, it usually produces high quality code. I'm gonna go back to the slides. So because I got a lot to cover. So, oh my god. Wait, where do I get the? Okay. Wait. What? Oh my god, I didn't know. Great. So a couple of things I've learned. The coder versus tester pattern is incredibly effective. It usually produces code that's either you can use it directly or you need to modify it a little bit and it's usable. And the other learning is self-tested code is untested code. If you ask the same agent who wrote the code to test the code, it's not going to work. It's just not going to work. And the third learning is that CLI command is way better than function call, and I don't know why. The agent just uses it better. Anyway, some shower thoughts. So conducting a coding system seems to be a lot more higher ROI than interacting with the code yourself. Because if you're writing the code, you just got the code, right? You just got better code. But if you are spending time to construct a coding system that can generate high quality code, it's more scalable. Yeah. So that's it from me. So this is my access, my GitHub for the Claude Code Orchestrator if you want to. So yeah, that's it.